Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp in regular expressions. Match anything with wildcard period. So we're going to learn about this wildcard period, and we use this inside of our regular expression as kind of like a placeholder, as a wildcard to basically anything goes, any character goes. So, for example, we're looking at here the regex HU period. So if it'll catch anything that's one character that follows this pattern. So here it'll catch hum, and here it'll catch hug. So if we test them, it'll both run true. So for this exercise, it wants us to complete the regex, unregex, so that it matches the strings run, sun, fun, pun, none, and bun. So I guess the first character, it'll be the wildcard. So we should change this to .un. And then here's the string that we're testing, and we're testing it with that. So that should be it. It should return true. Console log result. And there we go. Thank you so much.